this video, I continue with our drawings of the axle, and in this one we're going to do the top support. So start by saving, call it the top support, make sure it's in the right folder, and then I save. Pick a plane, I'll draw with dimensions. This is one of the ways of drawing a sketch, but it's up to you to do it in your own way. It's 30 mils. Then I draw overall dimensions, which is 50, and then I move up, which is 25, and then move to the left, which is 7.5. So I push these dimensions this way, and then I'll join these 2 points. And after doing that, I'll put a fillet in this corner here, a chamfer, sorry, in 15 mils. 15, and that finishes it. So I will mirror this one by just selecting it, and then I select the middle line at that center, and then I say OK. So if I click on the small house, I'm going to extrude this. When I pick here, that middle line, you can remove it. It's not very necessary. And then we have one extrude. So by clicking E and then doing symmetry, making sure it's overall distance 65, and that's now that covers the top part there. Now we're going to have the bottom part, which is going to be a revolve. So all I need to do is go to the origin and pick a plane which is in the middle, and that is the XZ plane. Then I click on sketch and then do the bottom part. This middle line will be the axis. And then I move to the right with 26.5. 26.5. And then I draw a line. I draw a line going to the left. And then I draw going up, which is 8 mils. And then some of this. Then I draw a line going this way. All I need to do is subtract that point, and then go up and close this. So that is a sketch now. For this middle line, I can change it to construction, better off center line. Okay, in the corner here, there is a chamfer for 5 mils. So I go to chamfer, and then I put in this corner 5 mil chamfer. So that part is now finished. If we tilt it a bit, you can see where it is going. So if I go to revolve, it should be able to automatically do the revolve. Okay. So having done the revolve, there are 2 holes on the top part. So I go here, choose that side, and I'm going to do a sketch there. So I'm going to pick a point this time, and then go hover over that. Do not click until you see that. That should be the center. Then you just move the right without clicking and make one point there. You pick a line to draw a center line, which you can change to construction, and then we can mirror that point by selecting that line. The distance between these two is 40 mils. We put 40 mils, that will be done. So having done that, we just need to go to the hole tool, and then choose a tapped hole, and then select these two holes. So here there's single select and matpop. So you need to click on matpop, and then you click that and click that one because we're doing the same hole. So the profile of this hole is a bit complicated. It's an M8. It doesn't show it quite well here. So the end condition is through all. So you go up here, put all. The diameter should be 8 mils. It shows 6. You can change this one to the normal one will be like 13. And then this depth, let's leave it at 4. And that diameter, let's choose the GM, and this one to 8 because I don't see the dimensions on the one I'm seeing. And that's 13, that is 4, and that's 8. That should be okay. Just click OK, and you have 2 holes there. So having got those 2 holes, we need them on the other side. So we need to look for a plane, that's the YZ in the middle, and then we just mirror this. So if you push this one a bit to that side, then we go to mirror, and the mirror we need to do are these features here. And the plane has already been selected automatically, and we click OK, and that part is now completed. Anything which shall not fit, we can do it in the adjustments as we go on in the assembly. So let's go the next video and do the insert which will go on top of this one.